Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2014 Ford Focus, stock number 7027. It's ran from the 5th 2011, the 8th 2015. It's an LW 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, right rear door has wobbles, right front door, one dent and one scratch, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,